Okay, so it's a new day. Uh, it's a late evening stream. Um, okay, this is day 31 of Daily Code Log, my journey to Candidate Master, and I'm back. So, before we start, some prior context. Last day was Sunday, and I did solve one. That was fun. So today we are having a contest on 8:05 on at 8:05, and we have 4 minutes exactly before the contest starts. So here's the plan. We will try to solve AB and let's see C also, C and D, A B C D on div 3, and let's be optimistic and solve as many as possible. Then if time permits and my brain doesn't melt, we are going to continue the 1100 rated problem solving, one or two, as um, depends on the level of exhaustion, and yeah, so that will be today's goal. So yeah, so let's wait till 8:05 before we start. And let's go. Great. One minute left to go. Everything is fine, I guess. Okay, audio is good. Okay, great. We have two concurrent views. Okay, 8:05. No. Four seconds to go. Getting my pen and paper ready. Yeah, let's get started. Go. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, here's my first problem. Let me inform on it. Great. Social experiment. These pages are frustrating. Another social experiment. The history of Codeforces taking place involving N people. They are required to form teams of 2 to 3 people, after which each team chooses one of 2 civilizations to participate in the social experiment. The organizers of this social experiment want to know what the possible difference in the number of people in the civilization could be, the minimal possible difference. And the minimum. Okay, 3 test cases. In people to the power 4. Great. Okay, n square is possible. That means minimum difference between the number of people in the civilization. 3, 2, 5, 12. Okay, 2. In the first test case, only one team can be formed, and okay. You choose one of the civilization. Okay. Two choices and 0, right? 2, 0. Or something like that. Possible difference in number of people. The second test case, there are 5 people, one with 2 people, and another with 3. These teams will choose different civilizations. In the third test case, 4 teams, 3 people will be formed. With the first 2 choosing the first civilization and the remaining 2 choosing the second. Minimum difference. Okay. In the second test case, 2 teams can be formed of 2 and 3. One with 2 people and another with 3. These teams will choose different civilization. First 2 choosing the first civilization and remaining 2 second. रेफरेंस को मिनिमम करना है. दोनों 2 टीम है, दोनों एक ही ले लेगा तो 2-0 हो जाएगा. 1-1 लेगा तो I don't understand the example 5. एक टीम होगा. The organizers want to know the Want to know the possible difference in the number of people. Oh, अच्छा अच्छा okay. In the civilization could be अच्छा समझ गया. 2 3 डिफरेंस इज 1 और एक में 2 है दूसरे में 0. ओके ओके समझ गए. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज डिवाइड द टीम इक्वली. अगर इक्वली डिवाइड कर देंगे तो अगर 3 से या 2 से किसी से डिवाइड होता है आंसर इज 0. ओके इफ इधर वी गेट लाइक 6 + 2 8. ठीक है ये भी चला जाएगा. समथिंग लाइक 5 3 2. At the end, if this is like 7, we get 3 1 or 3 2 2. Okay. For 7, if we segregate it, we get 3 2 2. एक में जाएगा 4 and 3 या 1 हमेशा 1 होगा. And 3 है या 2 है तो आंसर इज 3 2. Okay, solve. चलो let's get into solving coding this one. अरे यार that is the thing. Okay, ये last day का कोड था. We just get a one number int n cnn if n it will be 2 से बड़ा होगा. या 2 से बड़ा होगा. Great. Okay. If n is less than equal to 3, say out n new line. Okay. Else if n is odd. नहीं, if n mod 3 equals to 0 or you want to check कि जितना भी civilization है 9 है 9 है तो we can do is 3 3 3 कर सकते थे but we can do is 3 और 2 6 है ना यहाँ पे 2 2 2 कर सकते हैं 3 2 2 2 एंड एक में 5 एक में 4. ऑड है तो हमेशा 1 आएगा. if n is odd see out 1 else see out 0. ये हो गया. let me get the test cases. इलेवन है तो उसको हम लोग ला सकते हैं 3. उसके बाद 9 बचता है 3. उसके बाद 6 बचता है 1 and 2. I think it's 1 0. Just let me check for 11. हो गया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। यार डोमिनेटर तो बना चुका है, इजी। लेट। Within some class measures as minutes, he flipped it over and the time started. Okay. S minutes. The time started. Every k minutes, the thing will flip this hourglass. Okay. तो hourglass बनाएंगे तो इसमें k minutes हो गया है, अभी ये फिर उल्टा चला जा रहा है, तो यहाँ पे प्लस k है। ओके। You will do this even if the sand is still falling. Okay. Also, if the sand has already finished falling, but there are still some minutes left, Radin will wait for the required time and only then flip the hourglass. Each flip is done instantly. However, Vladimir needs to leave for ends in 10 minutes. You will stop flipping the hourglass or then needs to flip the hourglass in the last minute. You will do so. Determine how many minutes the sand will continue to fall after Vladimir leaves. Wait. SKM. The number of minutes the hourglass measures the number of minutes until the hourglass flips and the number of minutes until which Vladimir leaves for once. ठीक है। Output how many minutes the sand will continue to fall after. अच्छा ठीक है ओके। टोटल 8 मिनट्स है और 8 मिनट्स के इंटरवल में वो फ्लिप करेगा एंड आफ्टर 12 मिनट्स ही विल लीव। ओके। सो 8 मिनट्स इन सारा सैंड नीचे जा चुका है, फ्लिप्स, वेट्स फॉर 4 मिनट्स। 4 मिनट का सैंड नीचे आ रहा है तो और 4 मिनट बचेगा एग्जैक्टली। ठीक है। 5 मिनट्स का विंडो है and he flips out after every 10 minutes. So okay, so 5 minutes में sand नीचे बैठ चुका है, extra 5 मिनट भी चला गया, after 10 minutes he flips. Okay, then he leaves after 17 minutes. तो 10 minutes के बाद 5 मिनट में तो ख़त्म हो गया होगा and he will wait for 2 minutes after the hourglass finishes and then he will 0 मिनट इसके पास होना चाहिए। ग्रेट। ठीक है। ओके दिस ये हो गया कि इफ द ड्यूरेशन बिटवीन लास्ट फ्लिप, मतलब एवरी 10 मिनट्स का दो फ्लिप करेगा, 10 + 5 15 is less than 17, so 0. Okay, 12 minus 8 I did because after just flipping he waited for a few minutes, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, then went out. So बस 8 मिनट का उसमें फ्यूल बचा हुआ था, वेस्टेड 4 मिनट्स। ओके, 12 मिनट्स का विंडो है, एवरी 2 मिनट्स ही फ्लिप्स इट, तो 2 गिरा वापस। ओके सो ओके 12 मिनट्स का उसके पास वो था, ही फ्लिप्स इट, नीचे 2 था, अब ऊपर 2 चला जा चुका है एंड देन वेट्स फॉर 1 मिनट एंड लीव्स। 1 मिनट का फ्यूल बचा है। ठीक है, 60 मिनट्स का विंडो है, 7 मिनट्स का फ्लिप कर रहा है। सो 7 मिनट्स मतलब कि 7 मिनट का फ्यूल नीचे आ चुका है एंड फिर फ्लिप करने के बाद लीव्स एट एग्जैक्टली 7 मिनट्स। तो 7 मिनट ही बचेगा, ठीक है। बहुत सारे इफ एल्स होने वाला है इन दिस 1 1 मिनट का विंडो है, 1 मिनट के बाद फ्लिप कर रहा है, 1 मिनट का सारा फ्यूल गिर चुका। उसके बाद आफ्टर 10 मिनट 0 बचना चाहिए। ओह, कैसे? ओके, आफ्टर एवरी 1 मिनट यू फ्लिप्स इट। तो हाँ, गिरा फिर फ्लिप किया, गिरा फिर फ्लिप किया। सो आफ्टर 10th मिनट वो छोड़ के जा रहा है, तो स्टिल ही विल हैव 1 मिनट लेफ्ट। ओके, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ केसेस, राइट। तो 260 है, 2 मिनट का विंडो है, 60 मिनट का फ्लिप कर रहा है, 50 मिनट्स में छोड़ रहा है, तो 0 होना चाहिए। ग्रेट। सो इसका सारा इफ एल्स लिख लेते हैं एंड ए सूडो कोड फर्स्ट एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू move to write the code, right? So first, in the 8812 case, what do we have? We see after the window you have a 8-minute window, and after every 8 minutes we flip it, okay, and we leave at 12, so there's a 4 minute of waiting. Okay, so this waiting period we can flip and depends on the window size. Okay, so here the window size was too large for the 4-minute window, so we didn't flip. So whatever was left was subtracted from the reserve. So reserve was 8, and time wasted was the difference between m and k, m minus k waste. Okay, as flip time was more than wait time, so we just subtract from last. Okay, 4 minutes done. 5 10 15 में क्या हो रहा है कि we flipped after every 10 minutes, ठीक है। In all these cases the total window is less than the flip time, ठीक है। इन दोनों केस में total window time is less than total flip time। तो 10 minutes wait किया and then he flips it, and which is less than the leave time. Okay, he flips it, waits for 7 minutes, 7 minutes is less than flip time, so we cannot flip once more. So whatever the reserve was, that is 5 minutes, will deplete, and reserve minus wait time, that is 7 minutes, that is almost 5 minus 7 is minus 2, so we don't have any time left. So max of this difference comma 0. Okay, next in the third case we have 12 3 2 3. Okay, यार ये जल्दी करना होगा। S है, there can be 3 cases। S k के बराबर हो सकता है, S k से छोटा हो सकता है, S k के बराबर हो सकता है, S k से बड़ा हो सकता है। Okay, so we covered equal and lesser ones. This one is S is greater than k. Yeah, the reserve is 12 and we flip it every after 2 minutes. ठीक है, तो 2 मिनट मतलब 2 मिनट का विंडो है, बिकॉज 2 मिनट का सैंड गिरा एंड फ्लिप्ड इट, सो अब 2 मिनट का ही ये बचा है, सैंड बचा हुआ है. एंड वेट टाइम इज 1, रिजर्व फ्यूल बचा हुआ है 2. ओके, रिजर्व इज द मिनिमम ऑफ एस कॉमा किया. ओके, मान लेते हैं ये 8 मिनट्स होता तो ख़त्म हो जाता आफ्टर 2 मिनट्स. फिर फ्लिप किया जाता. ग्रेट. सो this is an observation: whenever k is smaller than s, the lower half will always have k minutes of sand, and after it will become idle and things will reset. Okay, ठीक है, मतलब सारा वापस सैंड एक जगह आ जाएगा. देन वी वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्लिप एंड इट्स लाइक कि फिर से शुरुआत हो रहा है, क्योंकि नीचे वाले पार्ट में कोई सैंड नहीं है. इट्स लाइक स्टार्टिंग फ्रेश. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो 12 और ये 2 है, 8 मिनट्स तक अगर वेट कर रहे हैं तो पहला 2 मिनट्स तो सैंड गिरा, उसके बाद हम लोग फ्लिप किए, फिर वो सैंड गिरा, लोअर हाफ फुल हो चुका है, फिर हम लोग फ्लिप किए एट 4, तो फिर स्टार्ट हो गया. Then we flipped again, क्योंकि नीचे 2 मिनट्स का सैंड बढ़ चुका है. अरे यार, ठीक है. एक मिनट का टाइम था, 2 मिनट गया, नीचे जमा हो गया सैंड. उसके बाद तो फ्लिप किया, उसके बाद नीचे जमा हो गया, फ्लिप किया. टू मिनट का रिजर्व यूज करेंगे तो ठीक है. 12 वाला केस में इट्स मोर, सो reserve will be min of both. Okay, and after 3 minutes, that means कि 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute के बाद छोड़ता तो let's see what happens. 1 minute के बाद छोड़ता तो 12 गिर रहा तो ऊपर से and we didn't flip, so we will have exactly 11 minutes of time left. 2 minute के बाद छोड़ता तो we will have exactly 2 minutes of time left. 3 minutes के बाद छोड़ता तो we will have 1 minute of time left. 4 minute के बाद छोड़ता, you know, if m was 4, so we'll be having again 12 minutes of time left. 0 1 2 3 4 this. Okay, so okay, बड़ा 11 2 1 1 होता, in this case 16 7 7 more है, 16 is more than 7, so we flip it once and exactly at 7 we leave the table. Okay, it starts from 2. It starts from 0. The flip happens at 2 and thereafter, so the flip happens at exactly 2. So 2 is at 2 मिनट के बाद फ्लिप कर रहे हैं ना, एवरी 2 minutes फ्लिप किए, 1 हुआ, then 11, then 2 4 6 अच्छा, every even occurrence it's reset. odd occurrence में k और in midway we see कि odd से कितना दूर है या इवन से कितना दूर, जैसे 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 आएगा एंड जिस 2 से एक जो भी मॉड है just subtract from whatever we get from 2. okay so applying this formula to 16 and 7. 16 है मेरे पास, every 7 minutes I flip and every 7 minutes I flip. 16 every 7 minutes I flip. Okay, 7 divided by 7 is 0. That means odd, it's even occurrence, right? Even occurrence. Meaning 7 divided by 7 is 1. Okay. Two divided by 2 was also 1. So odd occurrences we have k. Okay. Capacity is k. ठीक है. Okay, सही है. 1 1 and 10. So we flip after every 1 minute. Okay, we started with 0. Okay, this rule says कि जो भी minute है like 10 divided by 1 is 10. So it's the mm, 10 is the even occurrence, and even occurrence I have full s, so 1 रहना चाहिए, दोनों सेम है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. In 260 and 15 we have 15 here. So if it's small, then it means कि एक भी flip होने से पहले we are leaving for work. And just then if what is called m, if m is smaller than k, then we just subtract from the total reserve, that is minimum of s and k, that will be 2 with 15, and it will come negative, so 0. Okay, let's reinforce this, all these observations, and we can have a solid code to it. Okay, we have s and k same. If it's same, then 8 and 12. Okay, we can divide 12 with 8, and we have 1. And the mod or the remainder is 4. Okay, so 1 is odd, that means it's not reversing. So odd means capacity is k, so k minus whatever the mod was, 4, so 4. Okay, this works. First one works. 5, 10, 17. Okay, 17 by 10, 1. Mod is 7, extra is 7. So if it's odd, that means flip after 10. So if it's odd, then whatever we have a minimum of 5 and 10, and 10 minus 17 will be negative, and that's done. Okay, 12, 2, 3. 3 mod divided by 2 is 1. Okay, occurrence is odd, that and extra is 1. 1 means we are giving the minimum of 12 and 2, that is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, this works. 16, 7, 7. 7 by 7 is 1, and no reserve, so minimum of 16 and 7 is 7. So yeah, done. Yeah, I think code works. Yeah, it works. Let's see मेरे last submission का क्या हुआ. यार, please don't be wrong answer. उधर का एक प्रॉब्लम है. verify you're human. Yeah, that one got okay. Tension free हो जाएंगे. We have glass. We have SK and M. Let's move to coding. Okay. Let me bring the test cases here. Int turn is turn is odd, then key dominates, else okay. Key dominates, but you have to take min of both, right? Reserve is min of K and S, because doesn't matter if K is big, if S is small, then we have to take the smaller one. Then reserve, okay. No, extra, we have extra. See out, this minus extra. Let's see if this works. What is this? Yeah. भाई आजा, कितना टाइम लगेगा? It's already टाइम हो चुका है. I need to do it. जल्दी हो जा. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, okay. Okay. So क्या क्या होना चाहिए? I'm off by how much? Let me check. फोर ज़ीरो ठीक है, ये सॉल्व हो गया. 1 is correct, 7 is correct, 1 is correct. Now this is okay. 2 आ रहा है, 2 आ रहा है, which is not correct. So third M is we are leaving before the turning. Okay. Okay, special case. If M is less than the turn time, whatever is K, then what we do is just क्योंकि हम लोग एक बार भी टर्न नहीं कर रहे बेसिकली, सो रिजर्व विल बी S, टोटल S होगा, और देयर इज नो एक्स्ट्रा क्योंकि से इट वाज 17 मिनट्स, तो 60 मिनट्स पर टर्न कर रहे हैं, तो I'm waiting for 15 and then exiting, so the rest 2 minutes is my waste time. So minimum of S and this whatever is this M, and you need to return, make sure okay. चल जा. ये क्या हो गया यार? Oh God, frustrating. जल्दी से हो तब तो सबमिट करें यार. प्रोटोटाइपिंग में इतना टाइम लग जा रहा है. इट्स नॉट गुड. ओह, मैसअप हो गया. ओह ओह, ये क्या हो गया? ओहो, this will be max. So that we don't get negative numbers. I think the results are 401710. सबमिट करके देखते हैं. If M is smaller than K, yeah, we won't reach to that point. ठीक है, सबमिट करके देखते हैं. Okay, it's out of time, but if it's accepted, that would be a good thing. Moving to the next one. Andrea has a huge pile of N apples. Okay. And out of pages. Oh my god, man. I'm out of pages. Okay, let's see. Andre has a huge pile of N apples. He can divide the pile into two smaller piles. If there are X apples in the pile, he will get piles with. I think it's floor. And that's seal. If there are X apples in the pile, he will get piles with floor. Okay, the division takes Andre 1 minute. Okay. And he wants to eat K apples, but he doesn't want to count them at all. That is why he wants to obtain a pile that contains exactly K apples. And he wants to divide a pile into two small piles. Okay. I want to count them at all. I want to obtain a pile that contains exactly K apples. Determine whether it is possible to achieve this by performing pile division. If it is possible, find the minimum possible for Andre to obtain a pile with exactly K apples. Exactly K apples. Minimum possible time for Andre to. Okay. T test cases NNK. Number of apples I used for. Okay. Test case output -1. It's impossible to obtain pile with exactly K apples, otherwise the output minimum possible. Such a pile. Okay. In the first test case, 9 apples and obtain 1 pile. Two piles of 5 created. If one of them is divided, it will result in pile with 2 and 3 apples. So the answer is 2. एक pile चाहिए उसको of size 3. So we will do the first division, we get 5 5, and then the next division on one of the pile gives me 2 and 3, and okay. This binary search or something. In the second test case, 11, 5. We have 11, we want 5, we divide, we get 5, 6, 1 division. 21, 4. 21 divided by 2 will give me 10, 11. Moving with the 10 will not yield any pile of 4 because will get 5, and then 5 will divide into 2 and 3. But if we go with the 11 pile, then 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6. No, 5, 6, then 6 can be 2, 3 and 3, 3. Okay. 4 is not possible. Okay. So how many division will this thing take to reach to 1? So we keep on making it smaller and smaller and get 29, right? Yeah, it's taking logarithmic time. It was divided by 2. Okay. So we want if it's possible or not. So it's easier to find if, okay, we need the exact count. If it's a random number, then we check it. It's not coming in a subsequent manner, then it's not possible. Okay, every pile is similar, so either we move with in the example of 21 we had 11 and 10. Doesn't matter what we choose, 11 or 10, we will have a pile of the same ID in both the cases, like in 10 and 11. We have 5, 5 and 5, 6. Okay, oh, okay. 6 was okay. Did my okay, it's accepted. Great. Okay. Five, 6. So if we do recursion, it's 10 to the power 9. We iterate on each file, dividing it by 2 and seeing if it's possible or not, right? 10 to the power 9, the whole number can be divided max 29 times. And no, recursion is not, will not cut. So, I know I need to check all the files for the answer. We discard a pile if the half is, see, 5 6, right? When we divide, if you don't want 6, there's no point moving with the 11 size pile, because dividing 6 will give 3 3, which is already available in both 5 5 case, 2 3 2 3, exactly. So if we want a pile of size 3, doesn't matter we choose the 11th or 10th pile, right? So it's easy, we move forward greedily and check if whatever we have the option, right? And if the piles next division is exactly, if it's like 5.5, its floor or seal is equal to what we want or is greater than what we want, then we move with that pile, or else we discard it. Okay, that's something we can move forward with. Okay, great. Okay, let's just, I think this can be done. 3, so solving 3 is possible. Just I will be back in few minutes. I'm back. ओके खाना भी खा लिया. Great. Let's all see. Okay, everything seems correct. That was a 15-minute break. Great. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, I have thought of the solution. Let's move to coding. Okay, let's move to 3. तो the idea is कि divide करते रहना है and divide करते रहना है and दिखना है कि am I getting कि or not. Okay. While floor seal f equals to floor of n divided by अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है. Seal equals to seal of n. ठीक है. And we will f is less than and c is more than k. कोई भी अगर नीचे चला जाता है that means उसका और हाफ नहीं किया जा सकता है. इसका जस्ट थोड़ा सा ही वो होगा. ठीक है. ठीक है. ओके. अच्छा काउंट करना है ना कितना स्टेप्स है. इसको लेना है. बिगर नंबर के साथ जाना ही फायदेमंद होता है यूजुअली। तो फ्लोर के साथ जाते हैं, सील के साथ, ठीक है, बिगर नंबर के साथ जाएंगे तो बेटर रहेगा। एल्स f equals to floor of f c comma seal का 2.4 comma c equals to seal of c divided by 2.0 अगर उसमें रीच नहीं हुआ तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फिर, है ना। We take the test cases. I think this is not necessary. कोई भी k के बराबर हो जाए तो you can return प्रिंट करने के बाद। इसका आ गया, इसका नहीं आ रहा, ठीक है, देखते हैं। What is causing this? -1. I have if file. Okay, that is also possible, right? Then 0. For the initial file 10 3 we get 2 3. ठीक है, 2 3 आ रहा है, मतलब डिवाइड तो हो रहा है, तो y is not this should be 29. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, पहला वाला होना चाहिए 2. ठीक है, पहला वाला होना चाहिए 2 1 -1 and 29. तो ये 30 क्यों आ रहा है? One, two, three, four, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 29. बट ये 30 क्यों हो गया? यहाँ रीच नहीं हो रहा. और 30 वर्ड्स 30 क्यों है? यहाँ रीच नहीं हो रहा है काउंटिंग यहाँ पे. काम करते हैं ना, इनसे शुरू करते हैं, फिर वो छोटा होते जाएगा. लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज. नहीं, इसको 0 कर देते हैं. अच्छा। हम्म। Taking floor would have given me the answer sooner, I believe. तो फिर there can be chances of missing. इसका मतलब the answer can decide in both directions. क्या किया जा सकता है? If it's 30 is the max. I have no idea. Because if it's 1, अगर 1 है तो नो अगर 1 है मतलब एंड तक रीच करना है ना. ठीक है. If this means if k is 1, we could have reached there sooner. पॉसिबल है क्या? जैसे अगर यहाँ पे 10 है एंड आई गिव 1, सो 5 ठीक है. ओके देन 2 3, ठीक है. Then we take 3. 3 is 2 1, ठीक है. तो 1 हो गया, तो टोटल 1 स्टेप 2 स्टेप 3 स्टेप लगा. बट अगर 2 लेते हैं तो 1 1 हो जाता है. नॉट एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि ये भी 3 स्टेप ही ले रहा. 5 से 2, फिर 2 से 1. ओके, good enough. We do both the iteration and check किसका minimum है. Won't cost a sweat. ठीक है. Good enough. ठीक है, ठीक है. Works for me. This is ridiculous. Let's move this thing. This is count 1. This is a while loop and this is the F अगर बच जाता है तो. Let's do it again. ठीक है. इस बार start it again. But this time we सी आउट नहीं करना है कहीं भी, लेकिन ब्रेक कर सकते हैं ना. जो भी बचा हुआ है bigger one. So we have been dividing. तो अगर देख लो उसका F बचा हुआ है, right? Whatever we did, yeah, for C allocate किया गया. Next round में we cannot pass through because either this one didn't make it through or तो ये तो always बड़ा होता है इसका. This thing makes no sense. To log in, yeah, to log in. Basically log in ही है complexities का. Let's see how this goes. 33 minutes remaining. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. See out. आजा भाई, क्या कर रहा है? प्रोसेस होने में इतना टाइम लग जाएगा, देन प्रोटोटाइप करने में ही पूरा टाइम निकल जाएगा. We have 5 and 3. Yeah, 5 and 3. 5 and 3. 1 1. What does it mean? In 11 we want 5. So वन कैसे आ सकता है? penalty. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 1. Can we reach in one step? Not possible. 10 का जो 3 है 10 का जो भी 3 है 5, 5, then 2, 3. ठीक है 1, 2, 3. दूसरे वाले में 5 and 6 है 5 को 2, 3 में स्प्लिट कर दो 5 ही तो चाहिए तो 11, 21 we cannot reach there and this is cool. This thing needs to be corrected. जो भी 10 के साथ हो रहा है I need to document it. फाइव 5, 2, 3. दूसरा iteration starts from 5, 3. I don't know man what's happening here, but okay, it's better to separate concerns. K is not reducing in any manner, right? So, ठीक है. I don't have much faith in it, but still. बाप रे कौन है? Who's souring all the hearts? Easy. I'm not looking actively into the comments, so it's okay. Please be quick, यार. प्रोटोटाइप करने में इतना I think I've got the most of it. Just अरे यार ये 5-3 क्यों आ रहा है? What is it? What is it? What is it? This is frustrating. Okay. ठीक है. 10 divide किए. It was 10. 10 is not equal to k. 10 is not equal to k. Else. Okay. 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 अगर 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 it ends up in this case, it comes out as good. Great. So I have separated the thing, right? It won't be infinity. यार ये क्या हो रहा है? Something went into my eyes. FC तो 5-3. Why I'm getting 5-3? तो F1 is floor. तो floor है 10 का 2-5 हो जाता है. ओके समझ गए. 5 का फिर 2 कर रहा है. And I was lucky कि यहाँ कैच नहीं हुआ. Temporarily करना होगा. New floor equals to new seal equals to or we can do just a simple trick. This thing can come first and we'll treat like nothing happened. Yeah, order is important. Introducing all these new variables wasn't necessary. Just 19 minutes. Great. Okay. हो गया. हो गया. हो गया. Yeah, this is correct. 2 1 minus 1 and 1, yeah. Great. Submit करके देखते हैं. Please work, please work, please work. दिल टूट जाएगा अगर नहीं वर्क करेगा तो. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Please work. Please work, please work, please work. Yes. Oh, crazy. Worked. चल गया. Yeah. It worked. अब टाइम नहीं बचा I guess next बनाने का, but let's see the question. बन गया. We done. A, B, C done. I think this one was an 1100 rated one. 800. Hourglass was maybe 1000. ये शायद 1100 या 1100 most probably. Unfair games. I don't think I have enough time to solve this, but still let's give it a read. Bob is tired of losing to Alice, and to ensure he doesn't lose again, decided to choose a game in which he is guaranteed to win. Bob has thought of a number from 1 to n. Bob is tired of losing to Alice, and to ensure he doesn't lose again, he will choose a game in which he is guaranteed to win. Okay. Always thought for a number where it is known that n equals to 2 to the power d for some non-negative integer d. Initially, Alice knows whether the chosen number is even or odd. If in one move Alice can either halve the number or subtract 1, Alice can only halve the number. The current number is even. Okay. मतलब अभी हाफ नहीं कर सकता, बट -1 करने के बाद हाफ कर सकता है. Wait. Only Alice takes turns. After a move, Alice receives a response from Bob either -1, which means the number has become 0, or Alice has 1. Or a non-negative number x. If we denote the current number as a, then for x the following condition holds simultaneously. A is divisible by 2 to the power x. A is not divisible by 2 to the power x plus 1. मतलब एक ब्रैकेट मिलता है जैसे 2 and 4, so A can be 3. नहीं, A can be a number which is divisible by 3, at the same time not divisible by 4 maybe. E. ओके, ई देखते हैं. There's a lot of people. E call an array for number E exquisite. Okay, exquisite. It has at least 2 elements and any 2 adjacent number differ at least k. Given a permutation P of length n, ठीक है, for each k 1 to n minus 1, ठीक है, find the number of an array of number k exquisite. You have an array of size k. नहीं, numbers k exquisite of at least 2 elements. At least 2 elements and any 2 adjacent number differ. Okay. At least 2 elements and any 2 adjacent number differ by at least k. कोई भी 2 एलिमेंट कम से कम 2 एलिमेंट होना चाहिए and कोई भी any 2 adjacent numbers differ by k. कोई भी 2. ठीक है. Okay. ई दिया रहेगा. ओके. वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव दिया हुआ है. The second line of its test case, an integer behavior given. Element of the implementation. समझ नहीं पा रहा what is k here. 4 है and I have 3. I have oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, I understood the problem. It's a maths problem, I believe. Not much time left. Much different. कितना सवाल है जिसमें कम से कम 1 के साथ 5 रखो. 1 + 5 6 होता है. Oh, it's 1 2 3 4. 1 + 1 1 + 2 1 + 3 1 + 4 1 + 5 1 + 5. ठीक है. 1 2 के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं, 3 के साथ, 4 के साथ, 5 के साथ. 2 3 के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं, 4 के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं. 1 + 2 मतलब 3. 2 + 2 4. 2. 1 + 3 2 + 3. 2 plus 3. अरे यार ये this can be done यार. I don't have enough time. This one is doable. Just need 5 more minutes. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 4. ठीक है. 1 के साथ तो 4 बन गया. 2, 2, 3. 2, 4, 2, 5. 2, 4, 2, 5. 2, 4, 2, 5. 3, 4. हम्म 10 हो गया. 10 हो गया. 10 हो गया. 10 हो गया. 2 का अगर गैप रखना है 1 से 2 स्किप करो. कितना होता है? 3. 2 से 2 स्किप करो 5. तो 2 हुआ. 2 से 2. ये तो AP है. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 1. This is also AP some kind of. Just I have 3 seconds. खत्म हो गया. 8. I believe it was an AP, but ठीक है. अब सॉल्व कर लेंगे. समझ गए. Got it. I thought it's some kind of AP. मुझे लगा. But ठीक है. इसको आप सॉल्व करते हैं नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम में. DNA up for up solving. It was a great contest. I enjoyed it. Okay. Yeah. I saw a lot of guys. You guys connected with me, and I think you guys also are solving. Yeah, it was great solving, and I hope you guys also enjoyed solving this div 3. It was pretty neat. Test cases. Like rating, you can expect the rating to be shown next day, and yeah, some kind of AP. We'll think about it clearly. I will solve this one. ये टाइम फ्लिप वाला इजी था. इट वाज थोड़ा ट्रिकी. I just drew it and iterated over few test cases. जो test cases दिया हुआ था, it was काफ़ी for to think of the solution. Yeah, so uh, if it's your first contest, then it will be around plus 200 or 300 easily. It doesn't matter, the score doesn't matter, because there's an rapid regression as you solve more and more problems and contests here. So score doesn't matter now because it's a first. Just aim to solve more and more contests and more difficult problems. Basically, we are building critical thinking, nothing else. And yeah, this is helpful for your everything related to Fang and Fang Mang, anything HFTs. So yeah, this is pretty uh the stuff is quite addictive if you get the hang of it. So sometimes it gets frustrating, so that's another thing. But okay, let's end this stream for today. It was a pretty awesome stream. Thank you guys for connecting. I don't know, something changed, maybe the thumbnail or something. I used to get one viewer, but I see a lot of people connected today, so thank you all, and I hope we all get to some good rating soon enough. So yeah, I will let's meet tomorrow. Till then, see you tomorrow.